Hi there, welcome to your new home. So this is a wonderful property here in the heart of Beverly Hills. A very quiet section off of Forest Ridge Boulevard where they're all dead-end streets, so there's no through traffic. It's very, very peaceful. You'll notice that as you walk around. I want to give you a grand tour of this house and tell you about all the features. So we're just going to walk through and I'll let you see everything, and then you can go ahead and call me to make your offer. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home. We're going to go down the hallway first to the bedrooms and the bathroom. So this is the full bath. You can see we've got the tub shower combo. Good space in there, nice tile floors. We have laminate flooring in the bedrooms, and this is the guest bedroom here. And a couple of nice windows for light, and then good size, extra deep closet there as well. So some of the features of this home, everything has been freshly painted. We've got these nice, easy maintenance laminate floors throughout. This second bedroom, this is the larger of the two, so this makes a great master. We've got 2 nice sized closets. Everything has been updated on this home, including the air conditioning system. We have new screening, freshly painted, a new water heater. Notice the living area, good sized space, nice window there overlooking the front with the wrought iron fence. Nice dining room. In addition to the dining room, we have a well-appointed kitchen with a eat-in nook. And the big surprise, out to the sliders, you have a beautiful solar heated in-ground pool, and that is a big pool. So everything you need here. We've got the bank of cabinets for pantry space. Interior laundry room. And you've got a very nice stackable washer and dryer in this space here. And then we have a half bathroom. Off of the laundry, you'll find the 1-car garage. And this is pretty deep, so in addition to a car, you're going to be able to have room for storage and maybe some workspace. Again, we've got the new water heater, and we even have a side door that leads outside. I'm going to actually take you out this door because I want you to see this setup. So this is an area where you are able to park boats and motor homes. So this homeowner extended the pavered driveway, and these are beautiful pavers, extended the pavered driveway all the way down the side here, so you have extra parking space. If you wanted to put a motor home, camper, a boat, what have you, you have plenty of space here to do that. And then as we walk along here, we're going to look at this backyard. So this is a very, very private backyard. You'll notice that we do have a sprinkler system throughout the landscape, and you really don't have any view of anything behind the house. So all of this is the yard that you can utilize for your family, your pets, what have you. We've got a nice shed here that's going to stay, and on the other side of the house is also enough space where you could even park other equipment or vehicles. So you can see the pad there. They have had a motorhome parked there as well. We are going to head into the pool area. Oops. I have to go back around to the other door. Look at this beautiful yard again. And in the summer, there is really pretty landscaping out here. Pretty flowers and very nice area. So this is the real showstopper. This large pool. Absolutely gorgeous. And we are going to go back in through the house in order to take a look at that. All right. We also have not looked at the back room. Notice the pass-through here in the kitchen. The pass-through comes to this nice back den. So this is an excellent flex space. Plenty of space in this home in addition to the 2 bedrooms, and you can easily pass your drinks and snacks and desserts right from the kitchen. So that is very convenient. So we have our covered area here in the Lanai. Again, brand new screening. The pool was just resurfaced, so all of those items have been taken care of for you. And we even have these curtains that can be pulled across this entire back area, porch area, for privacy and also to shade you from the sun. So when the sun gets really hot in the summer, that keeps things nice and cool. So this is a huge pool. Again, it is solar heated, so you'll be very comfortable year round. And there you have it. This is a great option if you're looking for a fabulous home in Citrus County, right in Beverly Hills. So if you would like more information, please reach out to my team, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Give us a call, 352-794-1426.